Seems to be a really busy week in the Cardano ecosystem. I have a whole bunch more news items here for you. I also have a giveaway, so make sure you listen all the way through so you can get those details for this particular giveaway. And also, if you want, use those chapter markers down below. They really help skip ahead to all the various topics that you may be more so interested in. With that, don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff really helps the channel. And this very first news item here is from TapTools. So this is a little bit old, came out on the 25th, but this is a brand new API key that they're releasing for their ecosystem. So if you are a developer, if you know how to use an application programming interface, you can use this API key and get access to their data and all this information that they have on their platform. For those that don't know, TapTools is the premier place to go to find all the trading data for the fungible tokens and NFTs in the Cardano ecosystem. It gives you price charts, price movements, everything you need to be a better trader. It's also connected in with Dex Hunter as well. So if you're playing around and you know how to read these charts, you do technical analysis and you go, well, this is a great buy point, you can do that straight away. You can see it's already updated to ADAOZ. You can sell your ADA for and buy any of those tokens straight away. So really, really good platform, perfect for traders. But this API just takes it to the next level where now you can build something. Maybe you've got a trading bot script or something that you're using. You can pull in this data and optimize those things on your own. And you can do it on your own ecosystem, own computer, whatever it might be. We're going to use this on a couple of other things where we're playing around with it. Maybe we'll create a plugin for it in the Cardano Press ecosystem, but we're also playing around with it with Mercury, Adam Dean's plugin that will allow you to accept any native token to purchase things through WooCommerce. So it needs this TapTools API key to be able to do that. So I'm playing around with that right now. So if you're interested in that stuff, if you're building something on WordPress and you want to accept Hosky tokens for your store, you can. And I'm doing a tutorial on that at the moment. But this is really cool. We can use this API now. You do have to sign up for it. I've signed up for an account already, and I'll be doing a couple of video tutorials around this on how you can actually use this. So TapTools, awesome stuff. Now, if you're wanting to learn how to develop on Cardano, there's plenty of courses out there, but this is a new one that I've seen from the Delegate team. And this allows you to go through their Aiken course and then also do online code sample test. So this is a really cool way of applying your knowledge and then seeing if you've passed their tests online. So this is also a really good way for the Delegate team to show how competent they are in writing smart contracts. If you can write a course and teach other people and then write an online test, you can develop these smart contracts. I'm pretty sure that all is pretty valid. Now, if you look at their website here, you can go to danolearn.com. They have a few courses here, or 4 courses on at the moment. So you can go through them and learn how to use Aiken, general Cardano course, Cardano Node, and CLI. That is very useful. And then Python as well. So Python is probably what you'll be using for a lot of this development. So check it out. Links all down below for you guys. And I'll give a shout out to the guys at work.courses. These guys here, the Working Dead, have been pushing their courses quite a bit lately. They've got quite a few courses on there. They got 79 at the moment. Quite a few instructors in their platform too. So if you want to learn something about crypto, learn something about Cardano in general as well, there's quite a few things on here. So check it out. Again, links down below for you guys. Spectrum Finance have ended or will end their ISPO at the end of Epoch 464. And this is moving on to the next era of their platform. Now, if you have participated in their ISPO or have provided liquidity for their ISPO pool, you can go through and start claiming those rewards. It's nice that they've built their own claiming platform as well. This is the claiming platform here. All you need to do is connect to your Cardano wallet. And if you had been participating or providing liquidity in that liquidity bootstrapping stake pool, you'll be able to claim those particular rewards. This wallet here doesn't have any rewards, so I can't show you the process of how it works. But check your wallets, work out which wallet you may have had that delegated to the SPF 0 and SPF 1 pools, and you'll be able to claim those tokens. Now, if you're looking for another ISPO to stake to, on my YouTube channel, pinned in the very first video, there is a full ISPO video that goes through everything that's going on in the Cardano ecosystem at the moment, where you can delegate your ADA to a particular stake pool and earn some of these extra tokens. So there's some pools where you can stake and earn your ADA rewards as you normally do, and also earn those extra bonus tokens, or you give up your ADA rewards for some of these other ones and then earn the tokens that way. So lots of different mechanisms there. This video goes through quite a few of them, so you can check that out at youtube.com/learncardano. Now this one here, I don't cover book.io enough, but I love what the guys are doing, and this is a brand new book that Jack Fricks brought out. So Jack was a prominent Cardano YouTuber for quite a long time until he stopped and pursued his own thing, and one of the things that he did was he wrote his own book. Good on ya. So that's really cool to see, and he's back in the Cardano community at the moment and released his book on book.io. And I thought that was absolutely brilliant. I remember seeing a tweet from him saying that he sold more books on book.io than he did on Amazon. So it's definitely a trend, but he does have a good following in the Cardano crypto space as well. So it's really good to see the Cardano community support him with his endeavors that he's doing. Now, I did purchase 2 of these books. One of them for myself and the other one to give away. I haven't revealed them yet, so let's see what I got here. Click on that one and this one. This is the first time seeing that. That's pretty much standard. And there's the light version as well. So one of these will be given away. I'll let you pick to be a part of this. Leave a comment down below in the comments, and the best comment posted down below will be selected as the winner. And I'll put my contact details. You just need to contact me and prove that you are who you are on the YouTube chat, and I'll be able to send that one to you. So good stuff, Jack, and good luck for anyone that is participating in this little giveaway. Now, book.io also have BookCon coming up in 2024. 77 days until BookCon. This is going through all the things in the book.io ecosystem. We've got quite a few prominent presenters, including Charles here. I did prefer Josh with a beard, but I understand if you had to shave it off. The big beard, the Viking beard. Anyway, quite a few people here on the speaker list at the moment. If you want to find out more, you can check that out on the website, bookcon.book.io. Tickets are selling at the moment as well. You can get a virtual ticket for $200 US, $199 US. General admission is $700 US, and then VIP $1,500 US. So check out all those details. So if you're interested, check out those ticket prices. You do get different levels of access for everything: catered meals, after party access, exclusive book drops, and discount on merch. So lots of things there. Oh, I think the most important thing here. There we go. That's nice to see. I know a lot of people go for the networking, so the free alcohol always helps. This next news story is from Coinecta, and they have a partnership with Xerberus to do the risk rating systems on their platform. And this is really, really cool in regards to anyone that is participating in a Launchpad IDO and are looking into potentially buying a token within the platform. Having this type of information in front of you and verified by a third party is a really educational and informative piece in anyone's do your own research process on a particular token and project. This is what it essentially will look like here. You have your growth score rating. So will this token or project grow? In this example here, we got low, but then you also have the risk rating of this as well. Price, liquidity, network. There's a whole bunch of factors that they put into creating this type of risk rating score on various tokens and projects. So it's really good to see that type of data be put into Coinecta. It just makes sense to have that in there. Now you can also see here the risk rating score history. Now this is really important because as a token comes into an ecosystem, as different holders or post-sale stuff happens, the risk rating will change. And you can see here initially early on in December, it was a risk rating of B, but here more recently, it's gone down quite a bit. It's moving on a downwards trend and now has a D risk rating. So interesting to see these type of stats, and you can also always read more data on the Xerberus website to understand what's going on. To get the detailed data though, you do need to have a Xerberus NFT, and they are selling on JPEG Store. I've mentioned this previously before in another video, and the price of it has gone up. So if you didn't get it early on when I first mentioned it, like I didn't, you now have to pay 2,000 ADA essentially to get one of these NFTs to get this type of risk rating data. It helps with your trades, so it's kind of important if you are doing deep research in any of these tokens and ecosystems. This is a brand new feature from Genius Yield, and they put in their fee sharing and yield accelerate event dashboard. So if you're participating in this particular event and providing liquidity onto the DEX and doing trades or whatever it is, you can now see your rewards being earned via their platform. So if you're staking your Gens tokens, you'll be able to see this data as well. You can get to it at app.geniusyield.co/earn. This is the platform here. I've connected my wallet and I haven't earned anything. Guess I'm missing out here. So I have to start participating to actually earn any of these rewards. But this is what it looks like for someone that has staked properly and has provided liquidity properly. You'll see your rewards in the top right hand corner here. And the really, really cool thing is that you're not just earning rewards in Gens tokens or ADA, you're earning rewards in the multiple different tokens in their ecosystem. So you're staking to or providing liquidity for a particular token, you will earn those rewards in those tokens as well. So it's a really nice mechanism where you can actually earn some of these ecosystem tokens. Love what Genius Yield is doing. Cerra are going through their audit at the moment, and this is an update on that audit. Smart contract coverage is almost done. The only part left is the Oracle interaction and liquidations. No critical issues found. Our validation logic is very strict, and that is the right approach, as there's basically no possible scenarios to build and exploit transactions. So that sounds really good. The team from Twig will continue their work and expect it to be complete in the coming weeks. So far so good, and more info on the way. Okay, so that all sounds really good. Audit is progressing. I'd love to see the report afterwards once it's all done as well, to see how it all is. Now we'll cover Cerra a little bit more in future videos, but I have done previous videos. You can check it out, top right hand corner there, so you can find more about the peer-to-peer lending platform. Now in yesterday's video, I talked about MintSwap doing their voting via their governance within their ecosystem. So if you're a MintSwap holder, if you have that Mint token, you can go to their government's portal and vote for various proposals that they've shortlisted. Liqwid Labs are doing the same thing. So if you have Liqwid tokens, LQ tokens, you can go to the government's portal there and vote for your favorite proposal in their top 50 list. They have quite a few good ones there. There's a little bit of an overlap between what I've seen in the MintSwap community as well. So they've shortlisted some really good ones too. So check that one out. If you are a Liqwid holder, you can participate in there and you will earn some of the rewards from that process. Now, if you're wondering what on earth to vote for in Fund 11, there are quite a few proposals to go through. And it's nice that other people, when doing their research, and input endorsers here, read 311 of 920 proposals asking for 40% of total ask fund. So that's quite a bit. But he's gone through and read through all these various proposals and put in a spreadsheet of his voting intention against all of them. This is that spreadsheet here. I'll put links for you down below, but you can have a look at every proposal that he's read, what he's gone through. Could be a she, I don't know, and how they're voting and which direction they're voting on. So if there's something here that catches your attention and you want to have an idea of the direction where other people are voting for on a particular proposal, you can check it out here. You can find the details, you can click on it, you can read more and see what input endorsers is voting for. So you've got a lot of abstains here, but quite a few yes votes. And a couple of these I agree with as well. I've gone through this list. I should do my own list as well and let you guys know what I'm voting for. But anyway, check out that list if you have no idea what to vote for. It will really help with your decision-making process. This last news story here is from Killer Whales, or should I say Noom. This is a upcoming episode with the team. We have Florian here and Ryan, and they're on the episode to talk about Noom. But I had an interview recently with Florian asking when are we going to see this episode air, and all he could tell me was soon. So keep your eyes out for it. I will cover it as soon as it comes out, and I'm really interested to see what type of reach Altcoin Daily has, what a reach Killer Whales has with more of the mainstream to try and get this out there, and all these really cool projects are building on crypto. But Noom, I suspect will get a lot of exposure from this. I'd like to see how much exposure they get. Looking forward to this one. I'll cover it as soon as it comes out. Now, that's all the news stories I have for this episode, but I'd just like to do another big shout out for my channel members. We have Bin Chicken joining on recently yesterday, so thank you so much for buying me a coffee and supporting the channel. Absolutely love you guys. Now, if you don't want to be a channel member, that's totally cool, but if you loved this episode and got something out of it, make sure you give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, notification bell as well, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, gotta do it like that. You've been listening to the Learn Cardano podcast.